Well, I'm gonna go then. Bye-bye. Well, let's go, babe. Let's go see if our friends are there. No, let go of the stroller, okay? Audrey, come on, you. Come on, babe, get up. Well, I'm gonna go for a walk if you're not gonna come. Come on, babe. Well, then come with us. Mommy needs to get some fresh air, sweets. We already can't take Winnie now. Oh, beep, beep. Ugh. Uh-oh, it's raining. Do you want to use your umbrella? Okay, well, come on.